So day 6 in my new room, and I've definitely come to a conclusion that I need to insulate it. It's got way too many windows, and I'm freezing my butt off, to be quite honest. So it's right about between -17, -16, fluctuate between the two. So it's definitely cold enough. Quick little demo. Out into the fridge or freezer. Let's open it. Right. So it doesn't look pretty. It will do by the time I finished, but I've got one done already. Just about to finish off the second, and then I've got my last two down there. I'll probably leave like a little window out of cardboard or something. I still not made my mind up yet. But what we have is the cardboard backing that's kind of taped into the frame itself. Then, because I don't have any plastic bags large enough, I split it down, open it up, tape it to the outer frames, I think that's what it's called, of the window. So it's not damaging anything, it's just black masking tape, so it'll come off really easily. But hopefully that should trap the air inside between the 2 points, the 2 parts, cardboard and plastic. Done. It's nothing fancy, nothing special, but it's doing the job. Over the last 10-15 minutes, I have noticed a definite change in temperature, which is good. Done 3 out of the 4 windows. It's not a masterpiece, but you know, if it works, who cares, right? So left this one exposed. I need a view, otherwise I'm going to go absolutely psycho, especially since there's only about an hour and a half, 2 hours of daylight for every 24 hours. Yep, that's my amazing view. Yeah, so nothing fancy, just a bit of good old black masking tape. It does the job, so at least now I don't freeze my butt. So catch you guys later.